Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ocean View Luxury Rental Sleep 16. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a water park. Ocean View Luxury Rental Sleep 16 in the North Myrtle Beach district of Myrtle Beach, close to Cherry Grove Beach. Ocean View Luxury Rental Sleep 16 has a seasonal outdoor swimming pool and a washing machine. The air-conditioned accommodations is 650 feet from North Myrtle Beach, and guests benefit from private parking available on site and free Wi-Fi. The holiday home features 8 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a dining area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a patio with sea views. A barbecue can be found at the holiday home, along with a terrace. Alabama Theater is 3.7 miles from Ocean View Luxury Rental Sleeps, while Carolina Opry Theater is 8.1 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Myrtle Beach International Airport, 17 miles from the accommodations. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.